Here, let's move on to the second aspect of this lecture. We're going to come up here and we're going to be searching FBN1. Here, we're going to be assigning the number ranges for our documents. So if you remember, we're going to be working with documents when we're going to be posting specific entries to our vendor accounts. And in order to be able to work with those documents, we need some numbers that we can assign to those documents so that we can later pull those documents up whenever we require them to. So here we're going to search for our company code, and here we're going to first click on change intervals, and there are two intervals which are required to be entered. I've entered them right here. It's going to be the 03 and the 19 interval. The 19 interval will give you access to creation of vendor accounts and vendor documents, and the 03 will allow us to have access to the customer document creation. So we'll be seeing customer document creation later, and we might as well do the creation of this into our number ranges right now. Here you can see I've defined the number ranges already, and it's really easy to do so. You can just hit this interval here, and the SAP is going to be using specifically number 19 for our vendor. We have to automatically be assigning number 19 a year, and then we have to be assigning it a number from which it's going to start. Here, say it starts at 4,000 and it goes all the way to 50,000, and this is going to be the number range we assign to the documents that are inside our vendor account. We don't have to worry about current number, and we'll leave this blank since we want the internal system to be calculating the number. So you can do those two definitions for this one and this one. Just make sure that they don't overlap with any of these other definitions that you have done. And once you're done with that, we can hit save, click continue to this, and let's come out. Now we have defined firstly an account for the assets that we're going to be moving around, and we've also defined the number range that we are required to enter. We have a third thing that we have to also do,